This is a video on the Mars mod for the Alinco DR-635. All you'll need for this mod is a basic screwdriver and something to snip the wires with. You start off by taking out these 4 screws. Once inside this beautiful radio, you'll see on the left side from the face this blue wire. Real simple. Give it a cut. Real simple. Some people leave a little nub. You could cut it all the way off to the base. Whatever you feel is appropriate for yourself. Next, put the radio back together just as you took it apart. Next, you'll need to perform a hard reset on the radio. I'll try and do this. You press the function key and the power button. Oh, I didn't do it right. Yep, that's it. You'll see the screen will be like this. You can drop the power. As soon as you let off the function key, bam, there's your reset radio. As you can now see, we'll key up on Merge channel 1. Totally working. That's the mod. Pretty quick, pretty simple. It takes you a few minutes. Good luck. If this video helps you out, please drop a like. 73.